So guys, today I'm going to be making something with these little things, and I'm going to be showing you how to make like kind of a walkway, but it's a little different than a walkway. It's close to a walkway, but not really. So I'm going to be showing you. So first you put it all in a line, like a circle. Like it should be starting off like this. And then you should connect all of them so that they're all together. Get real cubes, circles. So first you put them in a line, like that. Put it all in a line. Now it should probably look like this. So now it should probably look like a little longer than that, like that. Guys, this is funny. So you take it apart really quickly, it like makes this bee noise. Oh, I don't like a bee noise. Sometimes they don't connect because like they're too far away sometimes. Or maybe they're the same color. That's usually what it is for me. But not really. Not that much. Usually, like for some reason, they're not connecting for me. Usually they connect. Oh, no, it didn't. Okay. And then whenever you're done, it should look like this. So then you put them in a big circle. And if they touch your container, just move your container away, because mine are touching it now. And then it should look like this. You put them together. You guys can hear that, right? Should. So you put them like, now it should look like this, all together. And then you tilt it the other way. And if there's any like crooked spots, just unfold it. And then you have to be careful to doing this, or else you'll have to do it again. Well, that would be the hard part. And then you keep folding it just like that. Like keep just like doing like this. Like folding it like you would probably usually do. But for some kids never tried this, so it's probably different for them or parents. Some parents could be doing this. So you put it like that. Keep folding, wait. So if you mess up, just take them carefully apart. Because I just messed up. It's sometimes hard to do it because sometimes it goes the wrong way you want it to, and that's fine because it takes a while to actually do this if you're new to it. But then you fold it back like a regular one, and then you should at least be done in like 5 minutes, about. So it keeps getting stuck though. You can keep trying over again. Do you guys hear that? It's a click. And then after you're done folding it, it should look like this. So you guys are done now, but it should look like that after you're done. Just like that. And that's for today. You guys should have loved that because I really make it like almost every day. But yeah. And you guys could even try to use these like with those kinetic big balls if you want. Now it should look like this. That one? I think it is. And after that one, I think it was. So, thank you for watching. Bye.